You wake up, reach for your phone in the dark, and instead of your usual morning notifications, you are greeted with two words: no signal. You check the Wi-Fi router, dead. The local ATM is completely offline. Even digital maps refuse to load. The scale of the failure suggests a massive, coordinated cyber attack on the global grid. The source of this disruption is millions of miles away, the sun itself. We operate with supercomputers in our pockets, feeling entirely self-sufficient. But our daily lives depend on a fragile, invisible tether reaching out into space. A distant storm can snap it instantly. The sun is a churning, volatile nuclear engine, prone to sudden, violent outbursts. Intense magnetic fields on its surface periodically twist and snap, triggering massive eruptions. These explosions are what scientists call solar storms. These events hurl billions of highly charged energy particles outward into the vacuum of space. These particles tear across the solar system, often on a direct collision course with Earth. As this wave arrives, it slams into our planet's magnetic field, causing those invisible lines to violently compress and warp under the pressure. This radiation doesn't pose a direct biological threat to human bodies on the ground. The danger is concentrated in orbit. This sudden influx of electromagnetic energy is perfectly capable of frying the delicate electronic nervous system floating above us. Our communication and GPS satellites sit in that direct line of fire, exposed above the protection of our atmosphere. When solar radiation penetrates their hardware, it induces electrical currents that scramble circuits and instantly knock orbital signals offline. Local radio and cellular networks rely on those orbital links to function. When the satellites fail, the towers on the ground fail with them. Pop culture often depicts this scenario as a permanent, global blackout, but the actual science tells a different story. Scientists at agencies like NASA run solar observatories that monitor these flares the moment they erupt. Because light travels faster than the physical particles of the storm, we get an early warning. This gives grid operators the time to temporarily shut down or protect vulnerable networks before the particles arrive. A solar storm is a severe infrastructure hurdle that requires active management, but it is not a world-ending event. This scenario exposes a dangerous illusion. We aren't as terrestrially independent as we think. Mobile banking, global logistics, and the internet are all routed through a path that sits directly in the crosshairs of space weather. The sun provides the energy required for life to exist, but it also serves as the ultimate stress tester for our technological progress. To keep our world wired together, we must engineer systems that can survive the hostile cosmic neighborhood we inhabit. For more deep dives into the science of our universe, subscribe to SK's. I'll see you in the next video.